Welcome everybody from your local alarm system specialist at Advanced Alarms. In this video, we will show you how to connect your DMP 9800 series touchscreen display to your home or office Wi-Fi using the WPS button on your modem or router and by manually programming in your network SSID and password. Before we begin, it is a good idea to locate the WPS button on your router. It is typically located on the top or face of it and will show the letters WPS. However, some buttons can be located on the back and will use different icons to identify them. If you are unable to locate the button, please refer to your router's operation or install manual to identify its location. Go ahead and pause the video while you look for the WPS button. Now that you have successfully located the WPS button on your router, let's begin. We see here the standard DMP 9800 series touchscreen display. From your home screen, you will need to select the keypad on the right side. If you do not see the keypad option, try dragging your finger up or down on the menu carousel. Or press the up and down arrow keys. With the keypad selected, we will press the CMD button in the bottom right corner until we see the option for menu Yes, No. Select Yes and then enter in your master user code. We will then press our CMD button again until you see the option for Wi-Fi setup. And then tap on the empty space to the right. Here we see three options: WPS, List, and Manual. Tap on the WPS option. It should now show pairing. Now quickly press and hold the WPS button located on your modem or router for 3 seconds. It will then say connected if complete, and then return to the system ready screen. You will now see the Wi-Fi icon located at the top of your screen to identify that your panel is now connected to your home or office Wi-Fi. If at any point you no longer see it, you will need to perform this Wi-Fi connection process again. Now that we are connected to Wi-Fi, your system will be able to communicate with your internet connection. Before we begin, it is a good idea to locate your network's SSID name and password and write it down to have with you when programming in your Wi-Fi. It is generally located on the back, side, or bottom of your modem or router. You can pause the video now to locate this. Great! Now that you have located your SSID and password, let's begin. To connect your DMP panel to your home or office Wi-Fi by using the list or manual options, start by selecting Keypad on the right side of your keypad. Scroll up or down or use the up and down arrow buttons if you do not see it. Then press the CMD or command button in the bottom right corner of the screen until you see the menu Yes, No option appear. And press Yes. Then enter in your 4-digit master code. Again, press your CMD button until a Wi-Fi setup appears and then tap on the empty space next to it. We now see the three Wi-Fi setup options: WPS, List, and Manual. List gives you the option to select between any available Wi-Fi signals being picked up by your panel. Manual allows you to manually enter in your network's SSID name and password. Select List and you'll now see the name of a local Wi-Fi SSID. Press the command button until the name of your Wi-Fi network SSID appears. Then press the empty space to the right to select it. Here, you can now enter in the password. Press the empty space again to the right to clear any characters and enter in your Wi-Fi password, being sure to use case-sensitive letters. To change between letters, numbers, or special characters, you can use the ABC, the special characters, or the 1, 2, 3 button to the top, right, or left to switch back and forth. The same can be done to switch between uppercase and lowercase letters. Now go ahead and enter in your Wi-Fi password. When done, press the CMD button. Your keypad will then display pairing. And if successful, connected. You will now see the Wi-Fi icon located at the top of your screen to identify that your panel is now connected to your home or office Wi-Fi. Now that we are connected to Wi-Fi, your system will once again be able to communicate with your internet connection and your alarm service provider. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also click on the little bell icon to receive updates for when we release new instructional how-to videos on your favorite home alarm monitoring system. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you all next time.